In this video we're breaking down an honest review of YNAB, also known as You Need a Budget, one of the most popular budgeting tools designed to help you take total control of your money. YNAB uses a zero-based budgeting system, meaning every dollar you earn is given a job, whether it's for bills, savings, or debt payoff, so nothing goes unplanned. YNAB shines when it comes to financial awareness and discipline. Its clean interface, goal tracking, and detailed reports make it easier to see where your money's going. The app syncs across devices and connects with many banks, and its educational resources are top-notch. Most users find it truly changes how they think about spending. But it's not perfect. The biggest downside is price, around $15 a month or $99 a year. It also takes effort. You'll need to update categories, track transactions, and stick with its structure. Some users find it too hands-on, especially if they prefer a more automated approach. Plus, bank syncing may not work smoothly outside the US. Overall, YNAB is amazing for people serious about budgeting, especially if you're ready to plan intentionally and build long-term financial habits. But if you just want to track spending casually or avoid subscriptions, it might feel overkill. For more honest app reviews that actually help you save smarter, hit subscribe and stay tuned.